Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a PDF in Notion. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your PDF file is saved to your computer where you can easily access it in a couple seconds. So what you're going to do is then go into Notion, make sure you're clicked inside of the Notion, and you can see the prompt where it says right press space for AI /for commands. We're going to hit the / on our keyboard and we're going to type in PDF. When you have your filtered results, you're gonna click the first PDF where it embeds it. Importing, which is in a beta stage right now, so they're testing it, that is something different. So we're gonna go to our PDF. You're gonna have the option to either upload from your computer, or you can take a link from a website and just copy and paste that right into here and then hit embed PDF. But I have one saved, so I'm gonna click on that, and let me see. I'm gonna choose this PDF file. And then once I upload it, you can see that my file is now visible. So my whole PDF is now in Notion, which this is one of the things that sets it apart from when you're importing. Because if you're importing, you're not going to get this view. And then if you need to make it bigger, you can just go down here where these little bracket looking things are, and you'll just click and slide down until you make the box bigger for the PDF. And that is how you embed a PDF in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.